¿Cómo andamos, mi gente? Aquí está Brian from Era Epoxy. Otra vez con otro piso. Another metallic floor for y'all today. Finna show y'all step-by-step process. Boy Tommy is sanding all the imperfections on the metallic. About to do an acetone wash. So all it is, they put acetone on the microfiber. It takes away all the little swirls, scratches that the sandpaper might put on it. Sometimes when you drop a floor, it could be a couple imperfections, you know, a bug, a little piece of paper, anything can fall on the floor. After that, it's gonna be the acid wash, which is acetone. Acetone is right here. All it is, just with the microfiber towel, put the acetone on it, and then you start trying to clean it. But you do it in a figure 8 motion. You know, you keep going. After we made sure that the floor was perfectly clean, nothing was on the floor. Process is done. The next step is the T200. For the T200, all it is, you put it into the pump it up. As soon as you're about to drop it, put the cone tip. That's the one that you do little circular motions. But always remember, do the same circular motions throughout the whole floor. If you switch it up, you might mess up. So try to keep the same circular motions throughout everything. Well, there's more tips and tricks to this, but if you want to learn everything, hit us up at Era Epoxy Academy, so you can learn everything step by step. Go online, see our training courses, what dates are available. We'll see you there.
Okay, we're not putting polyaspartic over a metallic. Okay, this pump has to be rated for acetone or solvent. If not, it will tear up the gasket. One 12-ounce powder will take 1 3-gallon kit. The darker colors, when you start getting familiar with these, you can kind of split them into two. So you'll know which pigments you can do that to and which you can't. Okay? This is cured when it hits the air. So it can start curing in the air before it even gets to the ground. And then you'll get all these like little crystals all over the floor because it's already starting to cure in the air. So I'm about 8 to 10 inches off the ground like this in a circular motion. And I'm starting right to left, making sure I'm doing a big area where if I'm going over white, I need somebody standing back behind me to see. Because if I'm spraying this clear on white, it's really hard to see. So somebody standing back and getting an angle can tell me, hey, make sure you go to your right a little more, go all the way. Or if I'm by myself, I find outlets or markers on the wall where I know I'm going to. And I'm going to go to the middle of this window and then I'm going to go to this outlet. I know right there that when I start my new section, I need a 50% overlap. I'm going to put the cone tip on there. I'm going to tighten the cone tip all the way down. Border turned back. I'm going to fill it up. I can fit 3 T200s in there if I need to. I'm only doing 2 car. So 1 gallon will do a 2 car. I make sure my PSI stays high. And I'm going in a circular motion about 3 feet wide. And I'm going to do a 50% overlap. Gonna make sure I put down enough material that the T200 comes back and glasses out. If I spray it too thin, you're gonna see where it looks like I just sprayed something on the floor and it'll dry that way.
Floors, big, like boom.
Yeah. Okay, people, move along. There's nothing to see here.
So the doors and all the windows didn't get wrapped?
We may need a store manager over there and a salesperson out there, to be honest with you. So I can already see it, the traffic, because you're gonna hit so many eyes in that bitch.
And then we'll take one van, but I do want to put a tracker on it. I want to take one van. They can go there and pick this shit up and take off instead of coming all over here. And if we need them here, then we need them here. But if we're like, nah, man, just go start over there. And they could clock in, do what they got to do over there. You know what I'm saying? We'll have Tommy them come over here, you know what I'm saying, here at this location. I have Philly going. Freddie already talked about the AC. They agreed. They just want a real legit company.
Oh yeah.
And golf.
Very cool job.
If you get it halfway,
Halfway, I'll hit that building. Maybe not in this grass. I need my other. I don't know if I should do this. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, see, sometimes take that second pair of eyes to see. But get them up in the air. Get them up in there. There you go. You kind of want to have it like a frisbee motion to your hands where they kind of spread out. So it's nice and thick. It went where I wanted to go. It felt smooth. It wasn't sticky or gummy. Now when I'm rolling it, I can feel it's just gliding through it. And I don't see any of the streaking from that bead. So I know that we got a good mix and that the bead was properly mixed in. Where A is going to go our 2 parts and our B is going to be our 3rd part. Okay? This is a brand new material. The moisture barrier is not brand new, but this actual one is. So I want to go ahead and put it down and use it. If I'm mixing by fit, if I'm mixing by volume, this is a straight 2-to-1. So we're gonna try it out right here.
fan
Put a
tip.
different tip on it?
Fan tip is right, left, cone tip is circular motion. Get 2 different nozzles.
Fan tip is right, left. Circular tip is.
Cone is circular.
Sorry, so alright.
So cone you're going like this when you got a fan.
Now I want to mess it up, trying to switch it up. Alright, stop looking at me, man.
Hey, what's going on, guys? If you're in the Texas area and you're looking for epoxy materials, we are a one-stop shop to everything epoxy. with 3 locations in Houston, Austin, and San Antonio. If you need addresses, look them up on Google or call our main office at 832-813-8260. Peace.